Chief Jayant Chaudhary, he too is opposing it, and he's publicly gone on to say that this is not a well thought out move and the BJP government in Uttar Pradesh must reconsider their decision. Let's play his reaction out.
हमारा जो स्टैंड है इस इशू पे हमारे प्रदेश अध्यक्ष बोल चुके हैं, वही पार्टी का स्टैंड है। और जो कावड़ लेके जाते हैं उनकी सेवा में सभी लोग लगते हैं। ना तो कावड़ लेके जाने वाला व्यक्ति कोई पहचान करता है, जो सेवादार है उनकी वो एक आशीर्वाद की तरह वो प्राप्त करते हैं, ग्रहण करते हैं और आगे चलते हैं अपने काम। कोई इस हिसाब से जाति या धर्म के पहचान करके सेवा नहीं लेता और ना ही इस मामले को धर्म जाति से जोड़ा जाना चाहिए। मुझे लगता है ज्यादा समझ के फैसला नहीं लिया, फैसला ले लिया तब उस पर टिक रहे हैं।
ये वापस होना चाहिए।
कभी ऐसा हो जाता है सरकार,
वापस होना चाहिए।
अभी भी समय हो जाना चाहिए या इस पर ज्यादा कोई जोर ना दिया जाए।
ज्यादा सोच के ये फैसला नहीं लिया गया। The comment coming in from RLD chief NDA ally Jayant Chaudhary. He's going on to say that possibly this wasn't a well thought out move at a time where, despite the opposition, the Yogi Adityanath government, Adib, has said that this is a rule that will be enforced not just in Muzaffarnagar, in Saharanpur and Shamli, but it is a rule that will be enforced across the state of UP during the month of Shravan, when the Kawad Yatra in fact takes place. So allies are questioning it. Do you think there's going to be a review from the part of the BJP government in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Adib?
Well, see, Sagarika, first it was the opposition leaders, including Sadruddin Owaisi, Akhilesh Yadav, Priyanka Gandhi. All the opposition leaders were criticizing the order passed by Uttar Pradesh government. Now the allies of BJP are coming out in openly and criticizing government. In fact, Jayant Chaudhary, who was first an ally of the opposition party Samajwadi, he is now with BJP and he's criticizing the move. He's saying that it's a not well thought move by the government, and Uttar Pradesh government must reconsider this order of naming each and everything, especially eateries. He went on to say that the things like if it's vegetarian food or non-vegetarian food, that should be classified. But who's making it, who's preparing the food, that's not an issue. He also went on to criticize that if they are posting the nameplates on the shop on hawkers or on the small shop, now if they whether they are going to place it on the kurtas before shaking hands. So this is how Jayant Chaudhary is criticizing as far as government is concerned. It's most unlikely that government will be reconsidering this fact. But what it seems that now everyone, including most of the allies, those are criticizing BJP. It seems like that they won't be pushing this matter
stay
further.
With us. We'll get more details. We have Anila Singh joining us. Anila ji, thank you for joining us this afternoon. I just want to play out the reaction of RLD chief Jayant Chaudhary, where he seems to be opposing this decision of the Kawad rule that has sparked this huge controversy. Stay with us on the phone line. We're going to play out his soundbite, and then we'll take a question with you. Let's play out that reaction.
हमारा जो स्टैंड है इस इशू पे हमारे प्रदेश अध्यक्ष बोल चुके हैं, वही पार्टी का स्टैंड है। और जो कावड़ लेके जाते हैं उनकी सेवा में सभी लोग लगते हैं। ना तो कावड़ लेके जाने वाला व्यक्ति कोई पहचान करता है, जो सेवादार है उनकी वो एक आशीर्वाद की तरह वो प्राप्त करते हैं, ग्रहण करते हैं और आगे चलते हैं अपने काम। कोई इस हिसाब से जाति या धर्म के पहचान करके सेवा नहीं लेता और ना ही इस मामले को धर्म जाति से जोड़ा जाना चाहिए। मुझे लगता है ज्यादा समझ के फैसला नहीं लिया, फैसला ले लिया तब उस पर टिक रहे हैं।
ये वापस होना चाहिए।
कभी ऐसा हो जाता है सरकार,
वापस होना चाहिए।
अभी भी समय हो जाना चाहिए या इस पर ज्यादा कोई जोर ना